As an entrepreneur, focus is the main thing. And with all the AI hype and all the AI talk, there's probably 3 programs that I would use or I would recommend using maybe on a day-to-day. And that will get most of what you need done for any of your marketing and any of your systems and processes potentially in your business. So one of the biggest ones we use would be something called ChatGPT, which you're all familiar with. And this can do a lot of the heavy lifting as far as answering questions and doing a little bit of research. The next one that we'll use is something called Perplexity. And Perplexity is great for deeper dives on research. It's great for anything you need to have something current or more precise. It'll go into a lot more detail. Like if I just typed in here, podcasts for solopreneurs, and we'll give that a second. And it's going to research and do a deeper dive than most tools. And it'll cite the sources as well. But I just think Perplexity has and is known to be better for research than ChatGPT. So think of ChatGPT as a generalist, and now you're using Perplexity, and this is a research-based app. And then the third thing is MidJourney, and I wouldn't use MidJourney in Discord. I would just go to MidJourney.com or Alpha MidJourney. I generally just go MidJourney.com. And you can just use the Explore tab first and see if there's something already created, okay? A good tip here as well is, let's say you like this one, and if you click on it, this is the prompt that they use for that image. So let's look at this one right here. So then you could potentially build off of that prompt to get something a little bit different than what you see here, right? But that's the cool thing about here is you don't necessarily have to think of a prompt. There's a big prompt right here that made this. And now you could take this and tweak it and make it your own for something different. So again, I think, for a generalist, you'd start with ChatGPT. To do any sort of research, you're going to want to use Perplexity. And then to find images to kind of go along with some of your homework, you'd want to probably use MidJourney, as it's the easiest and it still produces some of the best results. Okay, so I hope that helps. Enjoy.